You know what I'm saying? You can tell this is a one-up one.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, why don't you do the video?
How do I just press this?
Yeah.
All right.
We go halfway down and can't use a viewfinder for the movie. You gotta use that.
You ready to do it now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Aaron, stop screaming.
Hey, Sarah, my turn.
Super duper duper duper. Faster, faster.
1, 2.
Super duper fast move.
Aaron, don't do that again. Aaron, look at Mama. Aaron. Okay, hold on, Daddy. Aaron. If you do that again, you're slowing him down. It's not funny. If you do it again, guess what? You're off, and Sarah's gonna get on you. Wait, Daddy, I don't know if it recorded or not. How do I know?
No, wait.
How do I know if it recorded? Can I see a red dot? The red dot was there the whole time.
The flash is probably still recording. See the flashing dot?
Okay, well, I pressed it again. It didn't stop.
I know. I got a hard time.
How do you make it stop?
You gotta turn.